Algo trading in India is changing. Most traders are doing it wrong. If you are using Python, Excel, or any third-party app for algo trading, you might already be trading in a risky and non-compliant way. And the worst part, most traders don't even realize it until they start losing money. Now, before you think this is about strategy, it's not. This is about something far more important. Let me give you a simple example. Your strategy gives a perfect buy signal at 10:15 am. Everything looks right, but your system executes at 10:15:3, just 3 seconds late. 1. Price has moved. 2. Entry has changed. 3. Risk has changed. And suddenly, your winning strategy starts behaving differently. Most traders don't lose because their strategy is wrong. They lose because their execution is unreliable. And this is exactly what's happening right now. Thousands of traders are using Python-based systems, Excel automation, third-party apps and tools, unregulated algo platforms. It feels powerful. You feel in control. But think about this. Who is monitoring execution? What happens if your system fails mid-trade? Is the platform even approved or compliant? Is there any accountability if something goes wrong? In many cases, there is none. I've seen this happen many times. A trader builds a strategy, backtests it, sees great results. Sometimes even uses a fancy app or automation tool, confidence goes up. He goes live. And suddenly, results don't match. Trades slip, execution delays happen. He starts doubting the strategy. But the real problem? It was never the strategy. It was the platform and execution environment. And this problem became so widespread that regulators had to step in. Organizations like Securities and Exchange Board of India, along with exchanges like National Stock Exchange of India and Bombay Stock Exchange, introduced strict algo trading regulations, not to restrict traders, but to protect them, to ensure traders are not exposed to unverified, unstable, or non-compliant systems. Now here's the important shift. Algo trading is not about automation. It's about controlled, reliable execution. And that's where most traders get it wrong. So if you're still running raw Python bots, Excel-based systems, or using any unregulated or non-compliant application, you are taking full responsibility for every failure. No protection, no accountability, no structured safeguards. So the real question is, what is the right way to do this? This is where Quantman comes in. Quantman is a no-code algo trading platform built for traders, not programmers. With Quantman, you can create your own trading strategies without writing a single line of code. Backtest them for up to 7 years of historical data. So you're not guessing. You are making data-backed decisions. But more importantly, Quantman focuses on what truly matters: execution. High-speed order placement, stable infrastructure, reliable systems, transparent tracking down to milliseconds. So you always know what happened, when it happened, and how it happened. And in today's environment, this is critical. Quantman is an empaneled vendor with exchanges. 2. It follows all required compliance standards, and it is also ISO certified, which means it operates within a regulated framework. It avoids the risks of unverified tools and platforms, and it is built for trust, stability, and accountability in trading. Your strategy decides what to do, but your system decides whether it actually works. So don't just focus on strategy. Start asking, is my platform reliable? Is my execution stable? Am I using a compliant system? Because today, the biggest risk is not the market. It's using the wrong tools to trade the market, because that's what separates random trading from consistent trading. If you are serious about building a structured approach, explore Quantman and start trading the right way.